In this video, I will show you how to trade crypto on Bitvavo. First of all, I want to say if you want to get started with Bitvavo as well as with TradingView with the best discounts available and the best fee structure available, make sure to check out the link in the description down below. But let's get started. So the first thing you'll need to do is go to account.bitvavo.com/markets. So type this URL and this URL will redirect you to the pro mode of Bitvavo. So basically Bitvavo offers a basic interface where you can just sell and buy, nothing more. And they offer a pro interface which looks a bit more advanced, as you can see. Yeah, but it basically allows you to buy with limit orders as well as market orders as well as stop limits, and the same for sell orders. So yeah, you can basically plan in orders, which is yeah, very nice. So yeah, it looks a bit advanced, but you can ignore the order book, for example, and also this is not that important. And the market trades, yeah, you don't need to look at this, and also basically not at this, because we're gonna use TradingView. So what you need to do is you need to yeah, go to the search bar over here, and then you need to type BTC. If you want to trade Bitcoin, for example, if you want to trade Ethereum, of course, type Ethereum. And then something which is very important is you need to select the right currency. So Bitvavo only offers to trade in euro, so not in dollar, for example. So you need to type BTC against the euro, and then you need to select the Coinbase chart. So this one, and then tap on launch chart. And also when we go back to Bitvavo, we need to make sure we have the right currency and the right asset selected over here. So tap on this and then type BTC against the euro. All right. So now we have the same chart selected as over here, because Bitvavo uses the chart from Coinbase. All right, so we have the same chart selected. Now, what you need to do in TradingView is, yeah, you're just gonna make your analysis. So where do you want to buy? Where do you want to sell? What is your plan? It's always very important to have a plan. For example, if you want to buy right here, I recommend you just to put a line over here and read what the price is. For example, yeah, 47, and then you're gonna go to buy. Then you set the limit price at, for example, 47. Then you can select the amount of Bitcoin. Yeah, you can do 0.1, but I don't have enough money on my Bitvavo account. Or you can just also type the amount of euros you want to buy. So 50 euro, for example. And then, as you can see, this line, this draft buy will pop up, as you can see. And then you can just tap on preview buy order. This is all, yeah, I just leave it how it is. You can of course change that if you want to. You can preview the buy order, as you can see. Yeah, but I'm not gonna place it right now. But that is how you can trade on Bitvavo. As you can see, your order will pop up here, and these are all my orders that are open right now. I can cancel them by tapping on this one right there, but that is very easy. So let me just close this. So now I have canceled the order, and yeah, now when you go to the Bitvavo mobile app, you will also see yeah, those orders to be ready to be filled. So now it's just waiting and you know, waiting till these orders get filled, and maybe we can make some nice money. Alright, I hope this video was helpful. If it was helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.